Isukile Mzansi, this is SK here from All Football News with SK. We're here to talk football with you. First team to release a player, it was Orlando Pirates released Sinokolo Kwaiba, and then Chippa United welcome team Gezale Shushu and Eastern Cape Born. He reports that Sinokolo Kwaiba asked the Orlando Pirates to release him so that he may regain his spot at Bafana Bafana, as Bafana Bafana are preparing for a World Cup. Uzakumbula ukubana ubekhona kwisquad, kula squad qualifiers the World Cup na qualifiers the AFCON ebizwa khona coach Hugo Broos, but uthe so for Orlando Pirates akaphinda ifumane i-call from Bafana Bafana. So izithi ke inanzika i-sources he is preparing for i World Cup. Also Mamelodi Sundowns made a big announcement of the year. They signed Manopola Saleng. Everyone was like assembly bell Manopola Saleng. Manopola Saleng, Orlando Pirates, Ibim Low Lake Opit College. Now Orlando Pirates has sold Manopola Saleng to Mamelodi Sundowns because Manopola Saleng was still contracted to Orlando Pirates until 2026 June. So now sources are saying that Manopola Saleng was sold to Mamelodi Sundowns by Orlando Pirates. That left Orlando Pirates fans very shocked and very worried. But we have good news for you. Karabo Pasha reported that Orlando Pirates are advancing talks with Khuliso Mudau. Khuliso Mudau is one of the is the current best right back in South Africa. He's set to join Orlando Pirates from Mamelodi Sundowns. Skesa reporter up at All Football News with SK in November that Orlando Pirates are talking to Khuliso Mudau. Yes, our inside sources informed us that Khuliso Mudau is set to join Orlando Pirates, and then also Ukarabo Pasha, we also I confirm Alondo. So we want to engage with you. Want you to engage with us. Uthethe nathi ku comment section usixelele into okubana ucinga ntoni ngale ngezi moves zoyi-2 kakhulu especially move ka Manopola Saleng and move ka Khuliso Mudau to Orlando Pirates, Manopola Saleng to Mamelodi Sundowns. Yintoni oyicingayo? Khumbule into okubana both teams are chasing for esports ka number 1 Betway Premiership, and also both teams are looking forward to win a CAF Champions League. Also, with the rumor that Mamelodi Sundowns are set to reappoint Upitso Mosimane oyewahamba Mamelodi Sundowns esiya kwi-Al Ahly okwameni kwakhe, uzawukhumbula into okubana ke iMamelodi Sundowns xa i-reappointa Upitso Mosimane will have to start from the scratch. Isquad sakhe aqale phansi a rebuild. Your thoughts, please. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to follow us on Facebook and TikTok on Football News with SK. May the good Lord bless you. Thank you.